What do you do with your nose? With your nose. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. What do you do? Say loudly. What do you do? What do you do with your ears? With your ears. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. What do you do? What do you do with your teeth? What do you do with your teeth? I chew with my teeth. I chew with my teeth. What do you do? What do you do with your tongue? With your tongue. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. What do you do with your hands? What do you do with your hands? I work with my hands. I work with my hands. What do you do with your legs? What do you do with your legs? I walk with my legs.